Oh boy, this cost a little bit of a chunk. Here we have something that a lot of you on the internet probably aren't aware of. Chris Sanders. This guy right here is an artist. He is the guy who drew, directed, wrote, and voiced Stitch from Lilo and Stitch, and has worked on a number of other Disney, but mostly DreamWorks products since, such as directing How to Train Your Dragon. If maybe you ever noticed that Toothless in his big mouth kind of just looks like Stitch, the way it opens and everything. There you go, that's the dude. He also did The Croods, and he's got another DreamWorks movie called The Wild Robot coming out pretty soon. If you didn't know, he also does, on his own website and blog and stuff, some pretty risque stuff. This is, I'm pronouncing it wrong probably, but Nimue or Nimue or something like that. This is a statue of one of his own custom designs. There's other ones of a Halloween themed and Hawaiian themed stuff, naturally. It's got a line called the Club Coconut Collection. This actually is a re-release, as you can see, a second edition of a much older statue from, I think, the early 2010s, which was basically the same, but it had a color variant, a topless variant, and it was your typical looking shark. It was maybe a great white, now replaced by a hammerhead. Ooh, I got this for about, well, I paid about $300, guys, not gonna lie. It's a chunk of change. But I think for something as exclusive as this, it was worth the buy, since I have the money to spend. And let's open it up and see how it looks. Well, wouldn't it be something if I said all that and then it was like broken? It came in just now with a UPS. Oh boy. Oh boy. This box is so big. Ooh. I guess it's in basically a whole nother box of styrofoam. Get that. As you can see there. Put this box to the side. And let me grab a knife for my wife. Somewhere. Here you go. Hee. Ooh. Big reveal. Damn, it's gonna be like a 3, 4, or 5 minute video. It's really ups the ante as far as, compared to your suspense of just doing a Sanrio blind bag by comparison from Five Below or whatever. Oh boy. Ready? Let's see. Oh, well, no, not yet. Ooh. Oh boy. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Oh, it is, you put it together yourself. Goodness. Hefty. Ooh, very pretty. Does this come with an instruction manual? Oh boy. Ooh. It's gorgeous. It's crazy to think of. Yeah. I believe it said it was made with resin. Ooh. I believe the shark goes there, I think. Yes. And Mr. Manta Ray Over on the other side. Alright, very carefully, very gently. Wow. How about that? And this is almost sold out. I believe it's on like Sideshow or Tweeterhead, something like that. If you wanted to get one of the last ones, now is the time to do it, because they're going to be gone, and maybe you'll get another restock with a nurse shark in like 10 years. Good luck.